Well, welcome to this UK Drug Testing and ValueMed combined demonstration of this, the new 23-in-1 urine testing cup. We think it's probably the most comprehensive urine test on the market currently. It's manufactured for us, Access Diagnostic Tests in the UK drug testing format. Simple testing instructions are included on every foil with indicative positive and negative results. Inside this foil you get one of these cups. It includes a whopping 23 individual drug tests, so you get individual results for 23 drugs. It also includes a simple test strip temperature test on the liquid that's added to it. Should be at body temperature, allowing for cooling. That's somewhere between 32 and 38 degrees centigrade. So that's the first little bit of checking to make sure that it's normal, fresh urine that's been added. It's also got a 3-pad adulteration test, screening the urine to make sure it's within the normal human parameters. Again, gives you some reassurance it's not been diluted or adulterated. And then there's the drug tests, individual screens, as you can see, loaded right the way around the circumference. Let's run you through what's included on these. Nitazene, tramadol, cannabis, TCA, tricyclic antidepressants, psilocybin, that's magic mushrooms, pregabalin, propoxyphene, PCP or angel dust, oxycodone, methadone, opiates, methamphetamine, MDMA or ecstasy. Then this one, the green one, LSD. K2 is synthetic cannabis, ketamine, the big growth drug in the UK currently, gabapentin, fentanyl, cocaine, of course, big drug group to screen for, buprenorphine, benzodiazepines, barbiturates and amphetamine. Individual positive or negative results. This test cup's been run previously and you can see a full set of negative results indicated by the control lines forming nearest the drug abbreviation at the top of the cup and a full set of test lines below that in the midsection, the white section of the test window for the results. The K2 result on this is very faint, but it's still got a test line, and that's important to emphasize to you when interpreting these results. Mostly you can read the test lines, which will form very quickly within 1 to 2 minutes, but you must allow a full 10 minutes development time for a thin and faint test line to develop, and if it's showing at 10 minutes with the control line, then that is a fully negative result for that drug type. It's easy to perform, very quick, very simple, rigid design with a good sealing lid, makes screening for this most comprehensive range of 23 drug groups absolute simplicity, and it's available to purchase now from the UK Drug Testing website. We'll pop a link below in the description taking you directly through to the listing for this product. Thanks for watching.